I'm going to show you how to use Properbuz social network newsfeed. Click here and then click Login to log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Once you've logged in or signed up, you'll be here, which is the newsfeed. I'm going to show you how to post multiple images at once. Click Images and select the images you want to post from your device. You can also mention someone on your post and then post. To upload a video, click here and select a video from your device and then post. To post a YouTube link, paste it here and click on Post. From these three dots, you will see the option to edit your post, delete, copy link to post, and embed post on your website. When you click on these three dots on someone else's post, then you will see the Improve Your Feed option, and when you click on it, you will see a list of recommended real estate agents to follow. When you are on this page, you can follow any real estate agent.